Hi everyone, I've got two really important, powerful, energetic, informative and entertaining webinars for you this week. On Wednesday evening, I'll do a live trading webinar. It'll be in two parts. One is the trades that I've got open, which I'm looking at, how we trade, best practices from the hedge fund industry. And the second part of it is the strategies, techniques, top tips. So as well as giving you some fish, trades we particularly like and what's happening right now in the markets, everything from foreign exchange, sterling obviously being particularly important at the moment, the dollar being particularly important, and the euro being particularly important, all the way into stocks and which ones from a trading perspective, so holding over a short space of time, look important, look good. Then on Friday, I've got an investing webinar. Now that is about holding stocks for 12 months using my 12, 15, 25 rule, which is 15 stocks for 12 months. And should any drop 25% from the highs they've been, so if they've doubled up, so be it. If they drop 25% from there, then you exit. How do we find the good ones? How do we filter for valuation, growth, income, volatility, cash flow, average returns, so that we can quickly find those stocks and then go about our business for the rest of the year and try and target 20 to 40% returns through that. That's investing. That's on Friday. Look in the descriptions to this video for the links for the two separate webinars, and I look forward to seeing you on them. Thank you very much.